Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Have you ever tried purple sweet potato cake? Today I'm going to show you guys how to use glutinous rice flour to make purple sweet potato cake. Hope you will like it. So now let's start. We first need to peel some purple sweet potatoes and cut them into slices. Use a steamer to steam them for 15 minutes. In the meantime, we can prepare a large bowl and add some glutinous rice flour into it. Add some warm water. Mix well and make it into a nice dough. Now that the purple sweet potato is ready, take them out from the steamer. Add some milk and some condensed milk. Mix well and smash. Now we can make the cake like this. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil. Put the cakes into the pan. Fry both sides carefully. When they become golden on the outside, take them out from the pan. It is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.